NASAMS, Norwegian Advanced Surface-to-Air Missile System, also known as the National Advanced Surface-to-Air Missile System, is a distributed and networked short to medium-range, for ground-based air defense system developed by Kongsberg Defence and Aerospace KDA and Raytheon. The system defends against unmanned aerial vehicles UAVs, helicopters, cruise missiles, unmanned combat aerial vehicles UCAVs, and fixed-wing aircraft, firing any of a wide range of existing missiles. It adds capability to fire AIM-9 Sidewinder and IRIS-T SLS short-range missiles 25 km, 16 miles, and AMRAAM-ER extended-range missiles 50 km, 31 mi, and introduces mobile airliftable launchers. NASAMS has proven interoperability with longer-range systems such as Patriot. The NASAMS is equipped with 3 multi-missile launchers, LCHR, each carrying up to 6 ready-to-fire missiles inside the protective canisters. The purpose of the NASAMS multi-missile launcher is to transport, aim and fire missiles with different characteristics, all mounted on the same launch rail Multi-missile launcher is to transport, aim and fire missiles with different characteristics, all mounted on the same launch rail inside the protective canisters. The NASAMS launcher carries up to 6 AIM-120 AMRAAM missiles and is connected to the FDC, Fire Distribution Center, command post via radio and/or field wire. The mobile launcher can be deployed and remotely controlled up to 25 km away from the FDC. The launcher can fire the 6 AMRAAMs in seconds against 6 different targets, enabling multiple simultaneous engagements. Up to 12 launches with 72 missiles can be netted and all missiles are ready to fire. In the firing position, the platform with the launcher is lowered to the ground and 4 hydraulic jacks can be deployed to stabilize the launch pad during the firing. In a battalion configuration comprising of up to 12 launches and up to 72 missiles loaded, all missiles can be fired against individual targets in less than 15 seconds. The AMRAAM, AIM-120, was developed and is best known as an air-launched fire-and-forget missile deployed on the F-15, F-16, F-18, F-22, F-4F, Sea Harrier, Harrier II+, Eurofighter, JAS-39 Gripen, JA-37 Viggen, and the Tornado. The high-velocity AIM-120 missile is manufactured in 2 variants. The AIM-120B is field programmable and the AIM-120C is fitted with smaller control surfaces than the A or B variants, has a longer range, and has very high agility to counter targets making evasive maneuvers. The latest fielded version, the AIM-120C7, incorporated an upgraded antenna, receiver, signal processor, and new software algorithms to counter new threats. The use of smaller system components created room for future growth. This version is used by the NASAMS of the Norwegian Army. The multi-missile launchers can also fire the missile AIM-9X Sidewinder and the AIM-162 ESSM. The missile is able to hit targets at a range of up to 40 km and at a height of up to 14 km. In the Norwegian Army, the launcher platform LCHR is carried on a Scania 113H 6x6 truck, but for other armies, it can be carried on different types of trucks as the Sisu for Finland and Iveco for Spain. The LCHR is designed with transportability in mind. All elements are C-130 and helicopter transportable, can be transported by breakbulk or roll-on roll-off vessels, and do not exceed the limits of the burn tunnel profile. The LCHR can be transported on different types of trucks. A hydraulic system is established on the LCHR to load and offload the LCHR from the truck and for proper emplacement. The system can be powered from either the generator or truck and can be operated semi-automatically or manually. A standard NASAMS unit has a modular design including a command post called FDC Fire Distribution Center, an active 3D radar and MPQ-64F1 Sentinel, a passive electro-optic and infrared sensor, and a number of missile canister launchers with AMRAAM missiles. Normally, 4 NASAMS units are netted in a battalion network. The FDC Fire Distribution Center is a proven and fielded air defense BMC-4I battle management command, control, communications, computers, and intelligence module that provides modern BMC-4I for current and future air defense missions. The electro-optical EO sensor provides passive queuing data to the FDC Fire Distribution Center for passive engagements. The MPQ-64F1 radar is a 3-dimensional, phased array system that operates in the X-band to automatically detect, track, identify, classify, and report airborne threats.